Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing unboxing and the first look to the wireless charger power bank from Toreto. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. So let's get started. Some of the functions are mentioned on the box. As you can see that it's having a dual USB outputs, LED capacity indicator, safe and efficient, fast charging technology, smart charging and recharging, and smart chip. Regarding the LED capacity indicator, that it's having a LED light and it shows that how much battery is left. If you are having a green light, it means that 67 to 100% battery is left, and there are other options also. I got it around rupees 1700. So let's unbox it. I'm using this power bank from at least 2 months now. I have already unboxed it. As you can see, this is the power bank. You can see it's very lightweight, and the output is written here that it's having 5 volt 1 ampere and 5 volt 2.1 ampere. Regarding the wireless output, it's having a 1 ampere output. As you can see, I turn it on, it's having green light. It means that it's around 67 to 100%. Let me show you that the wireless charging, it turns automatically off if you are not using it. So I have to turn it again. As you can see, I put my phone on it. Wait a second. Yeah, here it is. It's charging. As you can see, it's charging. I think it is the best power bank around in the market right now, because it can act like a wireless charger also, and it's a lightweight, and this comes with a 1 year replacement warranty also. As you can see, thanks for watching this video. This is Hammadkmj signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.